It's 8:11, party people and party sheeple. And what do we have here? Well, we have a chemtrailer. Alright, geoengineer. Solar radiation management. Put it in quotes, solar. Sun simulator. Strategic aerosol injectioner. Tomato. Look at what we got here. This is why if you step outside around noon now, you're doing it early in the morning. This is why you see the filthy, messed up skies. Notice again, as I repeated many times before in my videos, you got it spreading out over here because this is the older part of the chemtrail. Looks like this was, they lit up on the disperser a little bit, right there. But notice also, it also coincides with the chem cloud, an old chem cloud, and then it picks up over here, straight line. Not a contrail, no can do. Never been a contrail like that before, never will be. Notice the fake chem cloud right over there to the left. So I don't know why, but I'm just here right now at this time, and we're seeing the chem clouds. You're seeing, I caught it in action, and there's a lot more to come. Maybe it's time to go outside and look up instead of constantly looking down, constantly just keeping your head in the sand. Understand what's going on. This is going to spread out and look like that, and they're all going to interconnect, and this whole thing will be milky white unless they stop doing it. This could be just one or two today. We might be going chemtrail light. I don't know. What's in the weather forecast? You know, that they know 10 days ahead of time. But see how it's spread out now over time? That's not normal. It's spreading out, and it's going to drop down called the chem drip. Spreading out right before my eyes in 1 minute. Look at that. That part was, see how wide that part is, which is a newer part of the trail? That's how it looked right there about 2 minutes ago. But now, that is double the size, as is that, and it's going to spread out. Are you comprende? Do you understand now? Notice how dim everything is. Check this out. Still pretty much dim. They say all the world is staged, and that's what this looks like. With a giant white floodlight up there. Very dim. You see how it's spreading out? Pretty quick, I might add. Pretty quick. We'll see how the sky turns out. You know? I mean, is this just one chemtrail, or they're gonna keep hitting it? Fake. Just like many people these days, just like the fake news, a bulk of it, this ain't normal. If you think this is normal and what you just saw is normal, then you're not, period. At all. You've been conditioned. If you think this is normal, look how it's spread out, look how fast. Unbelievable. Chemtrail dog, chemtrailed everything. Unbelievable. Maybe that's in part why she has a C word that rhymes with answer. Look what you have to breathe in. This drops down right here into everything. Unbelievable. Yeah, it's normal. Nothing to see here. That's a contrail. Just lingers. You know, just like your breath in cold air. Just lingers there. Just is suspended. Unbelievable. Get out of town.